In this video, I want to show you how to replace a light bulb on a 2007 Audi Q7. Pop the trunk. So we're going to remove this panel right here by removing these clips. Remove the panel. Next, pop this clip. There should be a little clip right here that you push as well. Mine is obviously broken. Looks like this. So you would push it down. So you would push it down and then slide this like that. Now you can't really take it all the way out just yet. After you move the headlight forward, you can access the high beam clip, which is right here. You can't really see it, but it's there. And then you want to remove that. So this is what it looks like. And that should free up the headlight. Just wiggle the headlight and get it out. Next, we're going to remove this piece by sliding this way. Then unplug the connector like that. So you got some locking tabs right here and right there, but you can just grab it, wiggle it, and you should be able to pull it out. This is what it looks like. As you can see, mine is obviously burnt out. You see that black stuff? So I need to replace it with a new one. So you can pick one of these at your local Advanced Auto Parts for $16.99, or you can actually buy two on Amazon for like $16.62. So, but obviously I need them right now. It's good to have a couple spares laying around, that way you can save some money. So install this in the same direction that you took it out, with this little cutout at the top, and just push it right in. Just like that. Plug the connector back in and put the cover back on. There we go. Slide the headlight back in. Make sure when you're sliding it in that this rail right here matches to that rail. That way it'll actually slide in. When plugging the connector, make sure the headlight is not slid all the way down, and then plug it in first. And then you slide it back all the way in, and then push this clip back on. Test the light to make sure it works before putting the cover back on. Looks good. And last step, put the cover back on. Don't forget about the clips. That's it. You're all done. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to support this channel, use my affiliate links in the description below. Appreciate all your support. Thank you.